jacket. And this jacket is sort of my idea of a good time because it's the khaki color in a nylon. It looks good, believe it or not, sort of more and more formally because of the sheen. But I thought it would be really, really fun to show it to you over a Steffi Lara chunky sweater. Have you seen in the magazines they're talking about chunky sweaters like crazy? This is kind of a fantastic one. It could also be belted. We just showed it to you with a couple of different scarves that could just be interlaced quite beautifully. And then great jewelry. There's a bit of camel in there, and then a very casual pair of jeans also from Clio. Believe it or not, Clio they go from 2 to 18, and they go petite, regular, and they do a modified plus collection. So they're always jeans for the right length, and this is perfect. Would you please take a walk? This is the kind of thing that when you arrive at someone's home, or if you're going out to something that's casual, you still have the air of dressed up and confidence and something that's just a bit more put together. But the color is very, very beautiful on against or close to the skin.